Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious on this one, but I will anyways just to establish some context. But very, very impressive movement. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that just on Tuesday, the price was all the way down there. Now, all of a sudden, the price has worked its way up to where it has. So that does bring about, the more than valid question of, yeah, this is a great move. That's the obvious. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $10.75. Why is $10.75 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to $10.75, behave like that, and then start to work its way downwards, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal angle, you'd have the price right back to where it was, and not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, because no price can go straight up. If the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then all of a sudden starts to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here, you'd have lows right there, you'd have these lows down there, and if you envision those as stair-steps, what do you have? Well, hey, now all of a sudden you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, that quote-unquote progress point, again, right there at 1075. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, next key overall level to watch closely going into the next couple of days is going to be right up there at that round number of $12. So $12 public enemy number one headed into Thursday. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very impressive movement today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this strength and build upon the bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.